She goes, these big long packages arrived day before yesterday. And so I've been trying to, put time aside to put these out and then to open them at the same time. Helen Iris is here. Oh, here, she ran over these first because this is what Papa got her. Papa bought her this tambourine and the maracas. Woo! And this adorable puzzle. Are you going to shake them, shake them, shake them?
Oh, let's see what's in the boxes.
Okay, honey, let's see.
Okay, put your maracas down and we'll see what's in, then you can pull this open, okay? Here, let me hold these for you. Will you take that out, please? Pull it out. Open it.
It says Helen. Whoa. Whoa. Open. Open.
Wow,
It's a broom.
it's a broom
She's like,
set.
oh boy.
Oh my goodness.
And it says, wow, a gift from Helen Iris Newton. Helen, what were you doing online, honey?
Whose
Ordering
credit card
gifts.
did you use?
Now, how did you do that? Whose credit card did you use?
Wow, the baby has her own broom set. Somebody knew how you like to help.
Wow.
Wasn't that neat? Okay, let me get some scissors, all right?
Oh. Like, we're gonna put
Sorry,
that
you don't
back
want
in
to
here.
clean? You're going to put that back in there? Oh, no.
Oh no, we're getting that open. I'll get I'm gonna get the maracas. Shake, 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 shake. Woo! And the tambourine. Look, baby. That's cool. You can also bang it with the tambourine. The maracas. Go tap, tap. Yay! Yay! Let's see. Helen Iris, what's in here? Whoa! Look, it's lawn equipment.
Wow.
It's lawn equipment.
You're being groomed for domestic servitude. Awesome. Look at this. Yes, we opened it. You're right.
Oh, when John was getting the boxes out over here, she was going, like that. Yay.
Look at that, baby. It's your own little broom.
Wow.
Wow, and a dustpan. Look at this. A little
That's
utility broom
so
and a dustpan.
cute.
So you can help us tidy up a bit. What do you think about that?
Yay. On Earth. There's only blocks over here. I just clean that up. We're supposed to clean up at the end of the day, but that's always difficult. Okay, that's so cute. Look, it's a hoe and a spade and a fan rake and a regular rake.
Bye-bye.
A shovel.
Very,
They call it a
very neat.
leaf rake. Cute. Okay, let's
Sure.
look over here.
Let's get this one open first, and we'll open that one later, okay? Ah, look at this.
What, what's in here, Helen? Here. Here.
Oh my goodness, you got Mega Blocks.
Whoa.
Wow. Mega Blocks. Sure, sure, we'll open it, you bet. Every day of the
Whoa.
week.
Open, open. T-ball. Oh my God. Look how cute. Oh, T-ball, Helen Iris.
Ah.
Wow.
Can you say thank you?
Say thank you, Grandma. Thank you. Grandma. Grandma. Say I love you. Thank you. Love you, Grandma. Grandma. Oh, honey. Grandma. She said, hi, Grandma.
Okay,
Hi, baby.
I'm going to close it just for right now, and we're going to open this, okay? Look, this is John's home.
Oh, my God, how cute. John's home. Oh.
Now, according to this, we're not supposed to open it till you're 5, but I'm going to put you to work right away.
Whoa. That's so cool.
Let's open up your little tools. Tools, yeah, it's your tools. Uh-oh. It's already been opened. Looks like the hoe already cut through everything.
Oh.
Now, these are real tools, Helen. These are not plastic tools. These are real.
Wow. She's going,
Wow. Yeah. Don't you want to see your tools? Okay, let me open
yes.
them.
She says yes.
That's the first time she said yes.
Yeah, she's been saying yeah. I heard her, she did say yes earlier today or yesterday. She wants the blocks because
Sweetheart.
she has a ton of those from upstairs. And yeah, I'm not. Ow. My bones look like that.
Look at the little
Oh
rake.
my God, look at the rake. You do some damage with that.
Wow, check it out, Helen.
Wow, you can really get out there and garden.
Yeah, it's a rake. Here, hold on. Let me show you. Here, hold it from this end. Let's put this down. Good girl.
She's going to try to use it like a vacuum. Well, honey, it's not a vacuum. Well, okay. She's like.
And you gotta pull it though. Pull it towards you.
Hi. Look, how cute. These are really cool. Oh, yeah.
Wow, Miss Helen, now you get to help Papa do the garden.
Wow.
Okay, you gotta be careful with these. They're very dangerous.
Oh yeah, and then there was also a little brown hat, a boonie hat, but that's way too small. That was for 12 months to 18 months.
That might have fit her when she was.
Well, it might have fit her when she was 6 months, because
There you go, baby.
Whoa.
She's
Whoa.
for this rock rake. These are dangerous.
Yeah. It's dangerous right now.
It's a
Yeah, that's
shovel.
why it does. That's why it says 5+
Right.
years.
That's
So
a shovel.
anyway, that's so cool. Shovel.
Shovel.
What color is it? What color's the shovel? What color?
That's purple. Well, careful. What color is that?
What
Tell us
color,
what
baby?
color.
Okay. What color is this? Yay!
What color
What color is
is
this one? Yay! Yes, yellow.
What color is this?
Yes.
Yay.
Now what about this one? What color is that? Drawing a blank on that one? It's purple, honey. Whoa, careful. Oh, that's nice. Say thank you, Grandma. But I still haven't seen any purple shoes with lights in them. Oh yeah, and then the Old Navy clothes there. I wanted to mention on that. That T-shirt is so cute, saying "Cute runs in the family." Oh, thanks, Mom. Love you. Oh, scissors. Hang on.